Hello, I'm Shin, and this next part of our engine removal. In previous video we took off timing chain and fucked up with this because I should first took off rocker arms, because I start taking this off, and yeah. So today we'll taking off rocker arms. It's from Japan! Woo! I shouldn't do this, but I will. Haha. Alright, maybe if someone of you know this, I hope you will see this. I have scratches here, everywhere. They should be here or no. If not, then it is a piece of junk for me. But if it will be okay with that, I will leave this. By the way, I probably will leave this. I will make something from that. I'm not sure if that was this video or another, but it's heavy to me. No way. I need to read how can I remove this. Yeah, and for today it will be all, because as I said, first I need to read what to do. I know what to do. I will take it one more time. Yeah, but I don't know how to remove them. I need to read this or watch it, how we see. I could take them off now and maybe them, but also I see I will have problem with them. So for now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment like below. If you want more, just subscribe to the channel and see you probably in the next week. I hope so. Thank you for watching. Bye.